This outstanding Waterford 2 front swing with game floor plan from Gallery Custom Homes is featured in the community of Woodbridge Estates in Wiley, Texas. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage floor plan offers 2,316 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and a covered front porch that offers impressive curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom door into the foyer, you'll find an elegant formal dining room with vaulted ceilings and large beautiful windows, perfect for entertaining. Pass through the French doors into the private study that can also be converted into a 4th bedroom, featuring high ceilings and a large closet. The California kitchen features a massive center island with granite countertops, 42-inch shaker-style cabinets, a stainless steel oven with built-in microwave, a 4-burner gas cooktop with decorative backsplash and windows, and a butler's pantry. Right off the kitchen is the adjacent breakfast nook with window seating. It's bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, which showcases large, beautiful windows, pre-wiring for surround sound, and a custom tiled fireplace with custom mantle. The private master suite features a vaulted ceiling fans, decorative windows, and a cozy reading area with bay windows that look out into the backyard. The master bath features bi-level vanities with makeup area, a deep, relaxing jetted garden tub, a walk-in shower with custom tile, and a spacious master closet. 2 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, large closets, and another full bathroom complete the first floor. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with a half bath and plenty of room for the kids to do their own thing. This Waterford 2 floor plan also includes a covered patio and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This glorious Waterford 2 front swing with game floor plan is now available in the community of Woodbridge Estates in Wiley, Texas. Call or visit Gallery Custom Homes to find out more about building the Waterford 2 front swing with game floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.